Bajaj Dominar has been the choice of enthusiast bikers in the sports touring category since its launch in 2017. The Dominar offers a well-balanced riding experience of urban usage as well as sports touring. The all-new Dominar, with its factory-fitted touring accessories, is launched at an ex-showroom price of Rs 2.17 lakhs. The Dominar is powered by a liquid-cooled 373cc dual overhead cam FI engine producing 40 horsepower and 35 Nm of torque, which is mated to a 6-speed gearbox and a twin-barrel exhaust producing a throaty exhaust note complementing the sports tourer appeal of the bike. In terms of safety, the Dominar still gets disc brakes both at front and rear along with the dual-channel ABS offering superior braking performance even in rainy conditions. The presence of the dual-channel ABS has made the Dominar the buyer's choice in its category. After a successful run in the market, Bajaj Auto has interacted with Dominar users and carefully observed the needs of the buyers and launched the new Dominar with touring accessories for your hassle-free riding experience without any need of spending time, money and effort on buying aftermarket accessories. The new Dominar gets a more aggressive and distinct front with full LED headlamps and angular tall visor. Bajaj says that with the use of CFD technology, they have designed the tall visor to offer better wind blast protection than before, enhancing the rider comfort at high touring speeds. Bajaj has taken an extra step to make the riding experience better by adding aerodynamic handguards with flexi winglets for maximum wind protection. Understanding the needs of touring riders, the Dominar also comes with a USB charging port, navigation device holder, back support for the pillion rider and a luggage carrier. However, the saddle stay is not a part of the standard production unit and will have to be bought separately as an accessory from the dealer. The new Dominar is designed to take on off-road adventure and the abuses that come with it, as the Dominar's engines are now protected with a bash and a skid plate for impact protection. The rider is also protected with a leg guard integrated in the chassis. The leg guard, with its small tubular shape and black finish, is very subtle and discreet. The new Dominar 400 is available in two color options, Aurora Green and Charcoal Black. Do let us know what are your thoughts on the new Dominar 400. And also feel free to drop down any questions you have regarding the new Dominar 400 in the comment section. If you like our content, do like this video and please subscribe to our channel so you do not miss out on our daily uploads.